Good morning, everyone. I'm here with Addison in the lab. And Addison, what's something we really enjoy in the morning at our house? Drinking what? Hot cocoa?
chocolate.
Yeah, you couldn't think of your word, could you? We like to drink hot chocolate at our house in the morning, especially right now when it's gotten cold outside, right? Okay, one thing that's in hot chocolate is some cocoa powder. And do you know cocoa powder does something very fun? Are you ready?
We're gonna do it with water.
Yep, we are going to do it with some water. Here in front of us, we have water and our hot cocoa, Eddie. And I've got it on my spoon.
And it's dry.
Yep, it's dry. I just took it out. We're going to dip it in water. You ready? Dip, and it comes back up. But Addie, what happened? It's still dry. It's still powdery. It's still a dry powder. Let's try it again. Dip.
It's like a motor car.
But I thought hot chocolate, I thought this dissolved. What's going on? Dip.
Bruh.
Uh-oh, bro. Oh, that time I submerged it too far. All right, so Rockets, our question is, what's happening? How come my powder is staying dry? We'll talk about it when you come see me in the STEM lab.